Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide network status from navigation pane on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide network status on navigation pane, open File Explorer. In File Explorer on left side navigation pane, you will find the last option, network. Now I am going to show you how to hide network option from navigation pane in File Explorer on Windows 11 computer. Click on three dot icon to see more. Now click on options. In folder option, click on view tab and then scroll down. Under navigation pane, you will find an option show network, and by default it's selected. Just unselect show network and then click on apply. Click OK. Now in navigation pane, network is not showing in File Explorer or Windows 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.